Hello everyone! Welcome back to Naturalhub. Today we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to, cramping during exercise. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, dealing with cramps can be frustrating. But fear not, because today we'll be sharing some natural remedies that can help alleviate those pesky cramps and keep you going strong during your workouts. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Let's kick things off with remedy number 1, hydration. One of the most common causes of cramping during exercise is dehydration. When you're not drinking enough water, your muscles can cramp up, causing discomfort and hindering your performance. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before and during your workouts. Adding electrolytes to your water can also be beneficial, as they help maintain the balance of fluids in your body. Next up, we have remedy number 2, potassium-rich foods. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a key role in muscle function. Incorporating potassium-rich foods into your diet, such as bananas, sweet potatoes, and spinach, can help prevent cramping by supporting proper muscle contractions. Try including these foods in your pre-workout meals or snacks to give your muscles the fuel they need to perform at their best. Moving on to remedy number 3, stretching and warm-up exercises. Proper stretching and warm-up routines can help prevent cramps by improving blood flow to your muscles and increasing their flexibility. Focus on dynamic stretches that target the muscles you'll be using during your workout. Taking the time to warm up properly can go a long way in reducing the likelihood of cramping and improving your overall performance. Our 4th remedy is magnesium supplementation. Magnesium is another important mineral that plays a role in muscle function and relaxation. Studies have shown that magnesium deficiency may contribute to muscle cramps. Consider adding a magnesium supplement to your daily routine, especially if you're not getting enough magnesium from your diet. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine the right dosage for you. Last but not least, we have remedy number 5, herbal remedies. Certain herbs, such as ginger and turmeric, have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce muscle soreness and cramping. You can incorporate these herbs into your diet by adding them to your meals or enjoying them as teas. Just be sure to check with your healthcare provider if you have any existing medical conditions or are taking medications, as herbs can interact with certain drugs. And there you have it, 5 natural remedies to help combat cramping during exercise. Remember, everyone's body is different, so it may take some trial and error to find what works best for you. Be patient with yourself, stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and listen to your body's signals. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and happy exercising!